Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Data Scientist. In the last video, we created the take command function to open desktop applications. Now, we'll add YouTube commands, similar to how we added desktop commands. To begin, we need to install the library whose name is pywhatkit. It will handle YouTube interactions. To install it, first open the terminal, and next, activate the virtual environment by typing this. Now write pip install pywhatkit. As the library has been installed, now we'll create a new function for playing YouTube videos. For this, navigate to features.py, where we'll add a playYouTube function. I've already created this function, so just copy and paste it. In this function, I used pywhatkit library, which I just installed. First, import the library by typing import pywhatkit as kit. And this extract a white term is also a function which I have also written, so also copy-paste it. Let's break down what this function does. It extracts the dynamic term from a YouTube query. For example, in the query play Python tutorial on YouTube, the word play and on YouTube are static means string, while Python tutorial is the dynamic part. The function extracts this dynamic term using regular expressions, allowing us to work with just the part we need for the YouTube search. We're also using the re library, so be sure to import it. The re library allows us to search for patterns in the command, meaning the query passed into the playYouTube function is processed through extract yt term. The regular expression will ignore case sensitivity, so it won't matter whether the query contains uppercase or lowercase letters. The function will return the dynamic term if there's a match, otherwise it will return null. Once the dynamic term is extracted, we will pass this match to extract yt term function. Then, there is a condition to check whether there is a search term or not. If there is a search term, then we use the speak function to announce what's going to play. For example, playing Python tutorial on YouTube. Finally, the search term is passed to the kit library's playNyt function, which is a built-in method that handles YouTube playback. And if the search term is not found, then else condition will execute. And with the help of the speak function, the assistant will say, "Sorry, I couldn't find what to play on YouTube." Now, navigate to the command.py file. Inside the all commands function, after the if block, create a new condition using elif. Type elif on YouTube to check if the query contains the words on YouTube, just like we did for open in the previous condition. Next, import the function we created in features.py. Type from engine features import playYouTube, and call playYouTube query to pass the variable query to the function. Now, to test it, first open the main.py file and then click on this icon to run the project.
3, 2, 1, go.
Play Python tutorial on YouTube.
Playing Python tutorial on YouTube.
As you can see, it successfully opened the Python tutorial video. But if you notice, when Sophia says playing Python tutorial on YouTube, the text isn't showing up. Instead, the HUD is displaying too fast, and the message doesn't appear. So, we need to add a small delay. In the try block, The statement il.displayMessage query is supposed to show the message, but since the hood comes up too quickly, it doesn't show. To fix this, add a delay by writing time.sleepopen parenthesis 2 close parenthesis and make sure to import the time library. Also, cut the il showHood statement from here and paste it inside the all commands function. This will make sure that il showHood runs after all the other commands are done. Finally, to show what Sophia speaks, like opening Notepad, copy this statement, il.displayMessage query, and paste it into the speak function just before engine. Say, text. Change query to text because we want to display the text Sophia is saying. Now, let's run the project again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Play Python lecture on YouTube.
Playing Python lecture on YouTube.
And now you can see that the text is showing up properly. Now everything is working fine, but there's one issue we need to fix. For example, if we want to open apps like Microsoft Edge, McAfee, or WhatsApp, we need to know where these apps are stored on our system. These apps can't be launched directly with the start command from the command prompt. To solve this, we need to create a new feature. In the next video, we'll cover this by creating a database to store the locations of these apps. Alright everyone, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.